One of the things that we do as realtors is attend agent open houses. Agent open house is when a colleague gets a new listing and they invite other colleagues to attend and check out the new listing. So I'm on my way. I'm going to share this agent open house with you. Let me know what you think. Let's go check out this home and say hi to the listing agent. Hello. My name is Michelle Refani with Remax Hallmark.
Nice to meet you. I'm really excited that you came to my agent open house to showcase this beautiful home. I'm the listing agent with Sotheby's, Vivian Sharon with Sotheby's International.
Very nice to meet you, Vivian.
Nice
I'm
to
excited
meet you.
to take a tour.
Thank you. Come on in.
Thank you. Tell us a little bit about this beautiful property.
Absolutely. I absolutely love this family home. You can see you have a marble counter to enjoy meals throughout the day and evening and with family. The ceilings are very high, which is really unusual. They're over 10.5 feet throughout most of the house with beautiful coffered ceilings, which you'll notice in the next room, which is the great room. But the kitchen is really a showstopper. I mean, you've got windows absolutely throughout the whole house. I mean, for someone who loves to cook, eight burners. And
It's perfect for a large family.
it's perfect for a large family. This is also for a chef's area to prepare. A food preparation area, marble everywhere, and this.
And I like the brown and white, that it's not just a white kitchen.
I know.
How many bedrooms are in this house?
There are 4 bedrooms on the upper floor. The primary ensuite and primary bedroom is totally spectacular with a walk-in closet that is just incredible. And then there are 3 other bedrooms with their own walk-in closets, their own private bathrooms. So you have 4 beautiful, complete bedrooms. The lot size is 75 feet by 108 feet. It's a beautiful, quiet corner lot, completely fenced in for privacy. And this whole house has a smart home system.
Has anybody ever lived in this property?
No, brand new, built several years ago, 2021, completed, and a beautiful private elevator, which is so important.
It's a great feature.
For the future, for anybody who has, for accessibility, there's nothing better than that. And so the lot is right here, and there's a sprinkler system that the owners put in, so you never will, and new grass went in.
Another thing that I love about this property is the neighboring properties. You're in a luxurious neighborhood.
Yes.
You're not like, it's not like a mix and match on the street. All the homes are almost custom built and beautiful.
They
It
are.
shows really well all around. And I think when you move into a luxury property, that's very important. It was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for featuring this lovely home. Do you have anything to tell us?
No, I'm really thrilled that you came, and I know that you might be able to find us a buyer for this beautiful family home. I think it's just a showpiece for anybody who wants to move to this area.
We're in North York. If you're interested to find out more about this home, make sure to reach out to us and we'll bring you for a private tour.